Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am. Good
Yeah,
morning, ma'am.
good morning. Children, can you see on the screen what I have kept? Did you see that? Please read that. These are the rules when you are attending the online class. Okay, these are the rules. Can you hear me? So here, mute yourself. When the class is started, immediately you have to mute yourself. Be on time. Always be on time, children. Here I am seeing many people are not coming on time, and turn on your video. So always we'll be mentioning you that you have to on your video. Few people are not owning, I mean they are doing their work at home and simply they are moving here and there. They are not sitting in one place. The example Navya. Navya is roaming here and there. She is not at all sitting in one place. Remaining children are at least they sat in one place and they are seeing.
Pavani ma'am, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Sonia madam. And Vatsalya, why your sister is here beside you? Ask her to move aside. And here, Yajan, Kanishk, Shritan Reddy didn't on the video. So this is for your purpose only, children. These are the, see here, these are the etiquettes, means minimum rules, behavior in the class. See here, come prepared. So whenever you come to class, you have to prepare, come prepared. Means from today onwards, I'll be giving. So tomorrow, tomorrow's class, what you have to prepare and come today only, I will mention for you. Okay, I will send in the group that what you have to prepare and come. And sit still. Means see here, you can see the chair, no? So always make sure that you are sitting at one place. It's not compulsory that you have to sit on chair. So wherever you are sitting, so make sure that you are sitting properly, not moving here and there. Okay. Next, be respectful. And many see here. Example now, Vasalya, how she is behaving. So always when you are sitting in front of teacher, respect, give respect. You also see when you give respect, immediately I will respect you. So when you are not behaving properly, so immediately I'll shout on you, I'll scold you. See, find a quiet space. See, many times we are getting lots of disturbance from your home. Yes, no, children? You will forgot to unmute, means you will forgot to mute your microphone button, and everything what is going on around your home, everything we can listen clearly. So avoid such distractions. Okay. Next, raise your hand to talk. So whenever I pose some question, you have to raise your hand, that too digital hand, not your manual hand. So example, your like your system is means you are facing any technical issues. That time you can raise your hand. Understood? And no eating. So when the class is going on, few children are eating and they are listening, drinking something, eating. So see, when you are in class, do I allow children? When you eat anytime, do I allow? No, no. So this one also, see, even online class also equal to your class. Whatever it is, you are sitting at home, then also you are in front of me. So when you are sitting in front of me, you have to maintain the minimum discipline. So these are the rules when you come to school. Once again, I am repeating for you, children. See, mute yourself always. I should not get any sound from your home, whatever it might be. Next, be on time. Like our class is 9:55. So immediately you have to be in the waiting room. Turn on. Always your video should be turned on. I should not ask you to, means I should not always remind you that on your video. I should not remind you. Okay. Come prepared. Whatever lesson, means tomorrow's lesson, today only, I will send what to prepare. So you have to prepare and come, so that it will be easy for you and for me to finish the class. Okay. Next, sit in one place, be respectful, find a quiet space. So if in your home you are getting lots of disturbance, means you come to one place where there will not be any sound. Next, raise your digital hand and no eating in the class. Okay, I'll stop the screen sharing. One second, few children didn't see all this. Once again, I'll repeat. Let everyone join in the class. Okay. See, children who joined now, for them again I'm saying. So when you are attending the class, you have to mute yourself, be on time. See, few children were joined so late. You know that, however, in the timetable they are giving 10 o'clock, then also 9:55 only, children. It will start at 9:55 only. So make sure that your class means you keep in your mind that class will start 9:55 only. Whenever class will be 5 minutes before only it will be. So always be on time, mute yourself, turn on your video, come prepared. So whatever lesson I'm teaching for today, yesterday only you have to prepare and come. Next, sit in one place, be respectful towards the teacher and also your friends. Here I'm seeing that madam, that boy is disturbing me. Madam, he is scribbling something on the screen, or he's something he's chatting. So see, don't blame others. Okay, whatever it may be, leave it. One fine day they will learn themselves. If not today, tomorrow they'll learn how to behave in the class. If you pointing some finger on them, one fine day they will point out you. Okay. Next, find a quiet space, raise your hand, and no eating in the class. Okay, I'll stop my screen sharing. Okay. So children, today we are going to discuss where is a tiger, means where are the tigers. So in the before topic, we learned about hunters and poachers. Yes, no children, we learned about hunters and poachers. In the topic, see children, I told very clearly you have to sit properly, no moving here and there, fold your hands and sit in one place. Okay. Before topic, we learned that hunters and poachers, they are killing the animals for their body parts. Yes, no children? You will agree with me? Just show me thumbs up. Show me thumbs up. Yes, you are agreeing with me that no means don't unmute yourself. Always you have to mute yourself only. If you want, whatever it may be, digital only. Okay. So yes, hunters and poachers, they, in olden days, thousands of years ago, like early humans used to hunt animals for their food. Even today also, we are depending on animals in many other ways. Like we depend on animals for milk, meat, eggs, leather, many different ways. So even today also we are depending. And few people, for their pleasure, they are hunting animals, they are killing them. Means if people going on killing and hunting such animals, where means finally these animals will become disappear in the world. As no children, they will be disappear from this world, and we cannot give to a future generation. So today's our topic is where are the tigers? Means these tigers are becoming endangered and they are means disappear from this world. So we have to protect these animals, no children? Yes or no? We have to protect these animals. So today's our topic aim means why we are learning. Aim means what, you know children? Why we are learning this topic. We have to know that. I will share my screen, children. 1 second. 1 second. Our aim is few reasons why tiger is an endangered animal. Why they are becoming endangered. So they are asking the reasons. It means they are saying that why these tiger became endangered. Okay, this is our topic. Caring for animals is our block number 6, and today we are going to learn where are the tigers. So now I'll be asking you to read out. Okay, Nikita. Nikita? Yeah, can you read out? Can you read out what is there on the screen? Can you read out what is there on the screen?
Give reasons why the tigers is an endangered animal.
Yes. See, today's our topic is where are the tigers, and in this topic we are going to learn that what is the reason that a tiger is an endangered animal. Can Jwalanti give me the reason? Do you know any reason why tigers are becoming endangered? And remaining children will chat in the chat box. If you know the answer, you will chat in the chat box, children. Everyone can chat in the chat box.
Killing the animals.
Yeah, they are killing the animals. And I'll be asking another child, and remaining children can chat in the chat box. You can give your answers in the chat box, children. I want to ask Satvik. Satvik, can you tell me why? What is the reason tigers are becoming an endangered? Can you tell me what might be the reason?
Ma'am, many members are hunting for leather.
Yeah.
Tiger, ma'am.
Okay. Oh, very good. And remaining children are chatting in the chat box. You are giving the answers in the chat box, children. Okay. 1 second. 1 second, children. Okay. I'm sorry. I want to share my screen again.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah. Good morning. Yeah. Children, these are the keywords. Can Lashasri read out the keywords? First one. I want Lashasri to read out the first keyword.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. What is the first keyword you are seeing on the screen? Can you read out the first keyword? What you are seeing on the screen?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Tell me first. Very good. Endangered. Endangered. Can Lashasri give me the meaning of endangered? Can Lashasri give, or shall I give chance for someone? Yes. Remaining children will chat in the. Yeah. Wait. Remaining children will chat in the chat box. Whatever you wanted to. Give the answer. You can chat in the chat box, children. I will see your responses. Okay. Yeah. I will see. So P. Akshat, can you tell me what is the meaning of endangered? Can you tell me?
Animals becoming danger.
Very good. They are in threat. They are in danger. Yeah, Pranay told that tigers' body parts are used to make medicines and jewelry. Okay. Yeah, Chandrika told it's a tiger. Okay, no problem. Shanmukha Priya told that they are killing tigers because to make decorates on walls. Okay, so many they can. Okay. Shushmita, can you tell me the meaning of endangered?
Becoming danger.
Yeah. Okay, they are becoming. Mean they are
in
like,
danger.
yeah, they are in danger. Can Srinanda tell me what is the second keyword? Remaining children can chat in the chat box. I'm seeing your answers. Srinanda, can you read out the second keyword?
Which, ma'am?
Second keyword.
Poaching.
Very good. What is the meaning of poaching?
Hunting and killing animals, ma'am.
Okay. 1 second, Shri. Yeah. Hunting and killing animals. Very good. And Mokshit, T. Mokshit, can you tell me what is the third keyword? What is the third keyword?
Habitat.
Natural habitat.
Natural
So, Varun, can you tell me the meaning of natural habitat? And remaining children can chat in the chat box. What is the natural habitat? Yeah.
Ma'am, natural habitat means where the animals make their habitat naturally.
Okay, very good. Yeah. Samarth, can you tell me? Samarth, can you tell me? Can you tell me what is a natural habitat? Remaining children can chat in the chat box.
National habitat.
What is natural habitat? Means they are regularly habituated to one place. They are living in one place. What is that place called as?
Forest.
Very good. Example, forest. These animals are habituated to one place. Natural habitat like plants and animals, mostly we see in forest. Can these animals live in the city, children? Is it their natural habitat to live in the city?
No.
No. Okay. Now we will see one bar graph, children. Okay, 1 second. I want to explain this. So, okay, can you see this bar graph on your screen? Can you see? Okay, just show me thumbs up. Enough. Just show me thumbs up. Okay. So here in 1972, the tigers were 1,827. Population. The population of tiger. See, in 1972 it was 1,827. In 1979 the population is 3,015. And in 84 they didn't mention, but then also the population has raised. In 1989 the population of tiger in India is 4,334, and in 1993 the population has reduced little bit compared to in the year 1899 the population has reduced. In 1997 also the population has reduced, the tiger population. And coming to 2002, the tiger population is 3,642. And in 2007, the population has completely, it came down to 1,350. So, can anyone tell me what might be the reason why the tiger population has reduced? Can Shritan tell me? Shritan, can you tell me why the population has reduced year by year? In some years it has raised, in some years it has reduced. What might be the reason? Can you tell me? Shritan,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me?
Ma'am, there is some disturbance, ma'am. I'll tell you after 1 minute.
Yeah, okay. I'll be asking for some remaining children. You can chat in the chat box, children. Sanjana.
Yeah, ma'am. This is Shrita. Now I'll tell.
Yeah, tell me.
So, first, normally anything would be like there's a little bit of it, then it grew highly. Then, other animals like us started to kill them in the first early stages.
Okay.
Then, maybe our early humans or we stopped hunting tigers by something. And then again, now 2007 we have started killing tigers more and more.
Yeah, means day by day the hunting has been increased. So
Yes.
government has passed rule that who is hunting the animal, they should be punished like strictly. And Sanjana, can you give me the reason? Shritan had given me some reason, so you can give your reason.
Ma'am.
Yeah, Sanjana.
Ma'am. Because they are
Remaining children can chat in the chat box.
because they are hunting animals day by day for medicine, jewelry.
Yeah, for there might be many reasons. They are hunting for different reason. It might be for their body parts. It might be their pleasure. It might be for to make jewelry, for medicine. There might be many reasons, but the common thing here is they are hunting animals, and the tigers are becoming endangered. They are in danger. Their life is under threat. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, many people kill them for
Yeah.
For getting respect, ma'am.
Okay. In some places they are killing for respect.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Especially like kings. Kings to show their richness, their wealth. They some people want to kill like that. Okay. So why are poachers killing animals? See children, please chat in the chat box. Why are poachers killing animals? Chandrika, can you give me the answer? Remaining children will chat in the chat box. Chandrika, I want your answer.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. Chandrika.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Fast. I want your answer. If you don't want to tell, I'll pass this question to someone else. Don't waste my time here. Yeah. Whoever wanted to tell, please you type in the chat box, children. No need to open. Just now only I told you should not unmute yourself until I call out their names. You should not unmute. Varshita, can you tell me? Varshita? Okay, better chat in the chat box. I will see. No. So poachers kill animals for money, yes, for their body parts and to eat. So these are the reasons why poachers are killing. Very good, children. And
Ma'am, mostly animals live in animal sanctuary, ma'am.
yeah. And why is tiger valuable for the poachers? Why it is valuable? Already we discussed that why it is valuable, because who Dhanush will tell. Dhanush, can you, remaining children can chat in the chat box. Your answers you can chat in the chat box. You can chat in the chat box, children. I will see your answers. Yeah, for money and for their body parts. Yes, mostly a tiger is valuable. Why it is valuable, children? Please mention in the chat box. To earn more money, poachers want to kill the tiger to sell their body parts like claws, skin, bones, which are used for medicines and jewelry. Now, children, I wanted to means you people please take out your workbook part, children. I will share the workbook part. I'll share the workbook part, children. Yeah. Yeah. Pranay, can you read out the workbook part? Pranay, can you read out the workbook part?
Ma'am.
Yeah, please read out.
Poachers arrested
Yeah, okay.
by our reporter.
Okay.
Kolkata, 23 June. The
Okay.
forest authorities of West Bengal arrested for 4 poachers in the
Okay.
Sundarbans.
Sundarbans. So can you please underline this point, children? The forest authorities of West Bengal arrested 4 poachers in Sundarban National Park yesterday. Please underline this point.
The Sundarbans, home to Royal Bengal tiger, has only 103 tigers
Please
left.
underline this point. So in Sundarban, that is home for Royal Bengal tigers, now it is only 103 tigers it seems. Okay. Left in it today in
2012, there were only 1,706 tigers left in the country.
Okay.
Meanwhile, the Wildlife Authorities of India found 10 cases of poaching across the tiger reserves
in
country.
Very good. Can you underline this point? Now at only see, now only 10 cases of poaching across tiger reserves in the country. Before there are many. Okay. Yeah.
Although the wildlife authorities have armed guards, they are unable to stop the gangs of poachers who continue to hunt and kill the tigers.
Okay, very good. Children, I want means meanwhile we will see the content book also, because in content book also there are few points. 1 second. Take out your content book. Again, I'll share my screen. Okay. Now, Dhanush will read out. Dhanush, read out the content book. Fast. Dhanush.
Ma'am, can I am Sriram?
Shriram. Okay, Shriram, read out.
Can I read
Sriram.
am something?
Page number what, ma'am?
34.
Tiger and
Shriram, fast. Read out fast.
the tiger endangered animal.
Okay.
Over the years, the number of tigers has rapidly disappeared all over the
Rapidly
world.
decreased all over the world. Please underline this point. Years, over the years, the number of tiger has rapidly decreased all over the world. Okay, next.
There are many reasons why the tigers has become an endangered
So there are many reasons, it seems. So reasons might be like different reasons, but here common thing is all are means these people are hunting animals. Okay.
tigers have always
Attract tigers. These tigers are attracting hunters, it seems, and poachers. Why they are attracted?
because their body parts can
Fetch a lot of money, means they can earn. I mean they'll get.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
the tiger's body parts.
Okay, Shriram, can you stop? I'll ask some other. Pardev Bharadwaj, are you there here? Please read out from that point. Body parts can fetch a lot of money. Can you read out from that point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Animals have got natural environment, help revise the environment.
From where you're reading? I told to read the tiger's body parts. The tiger body
Ma'am,
parts.
animals have
No. First para only, last point. The tiger's body parts.
the tiger's body parts are used to
Make
make medicines and jewelry.
Okay. Underline this point. Why they are used tiger's body parts? Because to make medicines and jewelry. Underline this point. Next.
In recent
time,
forests have been cut down,
okay,
grow crops and make roads and buildings, restaurants,
resulting
in tigers losing their natural habitat.
Okay, 1 second, Pardi. So already I mentioned, children, tigers are losing their natural habitat. What is the tiger's natural habitat? Natural habitat is the forest. Mostly animals are habituated to live in the forest. Okay, continue, Pardi. Okay, I'll be giving chance for some. Bhavish, can you read from this point after natural habitat? Make it fast. Make it fast.
Ma'am, can I read?
I asked Bhavish. If Bhavish is unable to read, I'll give chance for someone else. Bhavish, you will read or I'll give chance, means shall I give chance for someone else?
Ma'am, can I read?
Navya, is it Navya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Navya, read it fast.
Ma'am. This makes it difficult for them to hunt
for food. Actually, this makes it difficult to hunt for food.
When they stray into more populated areas, they are killed by people.
Okay.
Animals are part natural environment, help preserve our world.
Biodiversity. Biodiversity means what? So a variety of living beings found on earth like plants, animals. Okay.
They have an equal right to live like we do.
Hmm.
It is our responsibility to be more sensitive,
Okay.
animal creative, and
Animal
protect.
cruelty, animal towards animal cruelty and protect animals. So Navya, stop it. I will read from here. So animals as a part of natural environment help preserve our biodiversity. Biodiversity means what, children? Where
Ma'am,
plants
can
and
I
animals.
Vatsalya?
Yeah, Vatsalya, stop. I want to explain. Okay, they have an equal right to live like we do. So like us, even animals also have the equal right to live in on this earth. So it is our responsibility to be more sensitive towards animal cruelty and protect animals. So killing animals are means hurting animals, it's really cruelty towards the animals. Here animals also equally like us, we have to protect them, we have to give some place on the earth for them also. Today what we are doing, we are occupied the forest, we are cutting the forest, we occupied and constructing many industries, buildings. So we means we pulled their natural habitat. So we can do this by not cutting down forest and making animals safe from hunters and poachers. So mostly what we have to do here, so no means there is we are not doing any great thing for animals. Just what we have to do, we should not take their place, we should not hunt these animals, and we should not cut the trees. That thing we are doing for animals, it's more than enough for them. So it's not that we should give something great thing to animals. What we have to provide, we should provide a place for them. So if these animal means we are cutting the forest and we are taking means we are clearing forest and constructing many industries, so where these animals will move away. So they are not finding any place to stay, they are not getting any food.
You, ma'am, I'm not able to hear you.
Yeah, I'm clear only, children. So these animals don't have any place, means they don't have any shelter.
Ma'am,
So
this is Sushmita, ma'am. I'm not.
So Shushmita, means problem might be in your device only, because everyone are able to hear. I am very clear for you actually. And there should be strict punishment for those who kill animals. So here what they are saying, who are means who hunt animals or who are killing animals, the government will strictly punish them. They are put into prison. Okay. Now, just I wanted to ask you a few questions, children. Yeah. So here, Pranay, can you tell me why are tigers kept in natural parks instead of letting them to be in their natural habitat? Why they are nowadays? Why they are putting in parks, natural sanctuaries instead of being in the forest? Why they are means they are means take down and put into the national parks? Can you tell me the answer? And remaining children, you can answer in the chat box. Yeah.
Humans are cutting forest
Very
and
good.
destroying their habitat. So
And
humans are building industries in forest
hmm.
so that they are keeping tigers in nature.
Okay, yes, means animals should have some place, no? That's why they are collected and they are put it into some natural sanctuaries. Okay, very good, Pranay. We'll give a round applause. Okay, very good. See, can you see this? See, who will tell? Teja Harshini. Teja Harshini, can you read out this? Yeah, please read out fast.
Using as forest
Yeah.
habitat.
No, you have to read the tigers. Tigers are an endangered animal. So this is the complete means what we say summary of your lesson, children. This is the complete summary of why are tigers endangered. Why means what
Tigers are endangered animals.
yeah,
Watched for use for body parts, jewelry, and medicines.
very good. and they are losing their habitat. They are losing their natural habitat. No, why they are losing? Because the forests are cleared. They are cutting the forest. They are constructing many industries in the forest. Because of that reason, these animals are, they don't have any shelter. They are moving to, they are moving out of the forest, and many people are hunting these animals for their body parts to make jewelry, medicine. There are many reasons why these animals are becoming endangered. Okay? Did you got this point, children? Tigers are an endangered animal because poachers are they are hunting the animals for their body parts, and they are used for jewelry and medicine, and these are losing their habitat because they are clearing the forest. Okay. Now I'll be asking this question to whom I have to ask. Here I can't see you properly, children. Only 3-4 members I can see. Varun, can you tell me the answer for this? Varun? Varun?
Ma'am,
Yeah, can you tell me the answer for this? Are national parks and tiger reserve the best place to protect the tigers?
ma'am, can you wait a minute?
Nikita, can you tell me? Nikita, can you tell me, are national parks and tiger reserves are the best place to protect animal?
Yeah.
Ma'am, I will tell afterwards, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Why you are feeling this is the best place?
Ma'am, because it is built by government, ma'am.
Okay. So actually, whatever it may be, here actually, who want to give, anyone
Can I
want to
tell?
give another answer?
Ma'am, there's Sritan, ma'am. Can
Yeah,
I tell?
Sritan, can you tell me? Yes, you can tell me.
Ma'am, national parks and tiger reserves are the best place to put tigers because it has guards which are armed from poachers coming and killing these tigers.
Okay. Actually, here we have advantages as well as disadvantages. So here first we will discuss about the disadvantages. Disadvantages is here they are preserved. Yes, they are protected. No doubt in that they are protected. But they are, they are don't having that freedom how they roam in the forest. How they are roaming in the forest, they don't have any freedom in the natural, national parks. Means here one person will be always observing these animals. Actually, no, what is the wild animal habitat? To hunt other like domestic animal. Yes, no? Killing other animal, tiger or lion, what they do, they kill or hunt another animals and they will fetch their prey. But in national parks, is it possible? Is it possible to kill other animals? No. Here,
No, ma'am.
it's not possible because they are observed by some people. Here, they are not allowed to hunt any animal, kill any animal. Just what food these people are giving to these animals, they have to eat that food. Enough. They means means what they want, they cannot take from other animal. And the good thing is here, these animals are protected by the guards. And no hunter or poacher can come here and kill these animals. Okay. 1 second. And how do poachers still harm tigers in spite of heavy security in the national parks? Still harm, it seems, tigers in spite of heavy security in the. So some people will means they will hide and they'll come into the national parks and they wanted to kill these animals. They will they'll drag it and they will take these body parts. And who want to tell for this answer? Yeah, tell. Wajidin, tell. Yeah. No, even though even though there is full security, then also some poachers will come and they will hunt animals, it seems. How? Sriram, can you tell me? Okay. And children, who wanted to chat, you can chat in the chat box. I wanted to discuss something with you. And children, please write the workbook part, children, because here time has been finished. So please, I will be discussing with you. Why do you think the tiger is being hunted by poachers? This is the first question. So please mention the answers for these children, and what are the other reasons? Already all these questions I have asked you. So please write and you submit in the children.